السلام عليكم، شلونكم كيف؟ إن شاء الله زينين. أنا طالب بارق رحيم، زميلتي سعاد أحمد، وإن شاء الله مشرف علينا بالبحث كان وبارك الله به هو دكتور ياسر محمد الجبوري. كان البحث مع التخرج مالنا يتحدث عن the noise in the dental image، يعني بالعامية نصير غواشة أو ما نشوف الصورة واضحة بالإكس راي. نحكي شوية عن مقدمة عن شنو هو الميديكال إكس راي إيميج. كما نلاحظ هسه إحنا كما نلاحظ أن هذا chest إكس راي، نلاحظ أن هذا إكس راي for the head and brain. كان هناك عالم اسمه روينتجن in 1895 by accident شاف أن الكاثود يطلق أشعة ريز عالية الطاقة. ممكن من خصائص هاي الريز هي أن تخترق الأجسام penetrate bodies and ability to ionize atoms. فمن خلال هاي الخاصية إن هنا كان الإكس راي for the wrist or the hand proposed to use this X-ray image for medical purposes to enhance the evolution of the medicine, and also to check out what we can't see inside the human bodies, like fractures, tumors, and everything not normal inside the patient's body. The X-ray rays move in straight ways في طرق مستقيمة ولها أطوال موجية تتراوح من 10 بيكومتر to 10 نانومتر. هنا نلاحظ الأطوال الموجية visible light اللي هنا محصور، هذا كله X-ray rays and gamma rays and ultraviolet. هنا ال X-ray عندنا soft X-ray and hard X-ray. هذا الطول الموجي wavelength and photon energy هي منبعثة من ال X-rays. X-ray crystallography for crystals, mammography, and medical CT and airport security. This is the general uses of X-rays we use in medicine and in our daily life. As we know, the X-ray have a harmful effect for the body, for the human body, if used extensively and excessively and high frequency taking the X-rays for their bodies. So we can minimize this harmful effect by using lead inside the room of the X-ray machine to protect the staff and to protect the human from unwanted radiation that cause harmful to him. من ايش يتكون الإكس-راي تيوب؟ يتكون من electrons, source of electrons, and the main component is cathode and rotating anode. Window, the black arrowed by the arrow is the target, and this window, the X-rays exciting from this window and and hit the body. We use the concept of wavellet transformation. Wavellet transformation means the scaling of the wave. Here on the left side we see the very tight waves, and in the right side. After using the MATLAB software, we scaling what we want from the wave. So we see here the wave is more obvious and we can handle it and use it for our benefits. And this when we use the several materials in films. And the blue one is Eero Gonum X and the red one is Sedent and Kodak. This also used in the MATLAB and scaling the wave by concept of wavelet transformation. In this particular function we used MATLAB software because it's very complicated software and deals with complex equations, and we used it for our benefit to reduce the noise that is related with the wavelength and the frequency. And this final results in this the red laser pointed for this is the normal picture, but we don't use any of our يعني ما مثلا على أي شيء يعني هاي normal picture without any modifications. This is the second one. We see that the white area is minimized after we using a wavelet transformation concepts, and I use the MATLAB software using the special equations for this purpose. And this is also the third picture. We conclude finally that we can't reduce the noise completely, but we can reduce it by 65%, and that is the ultimate and the final versions that ever we can achieve by using wavelet transformation and anything we know about the X-ray. Thank you for listening, our dear doctors.